Yo, what it do, YouTube? What it do, YouTube? What it do? Welcome back to the channel, man. Welcome back to the KB show, man. Happy Juneteenth to everybody, to all my people today. Happy Juneteenth. Hope everybody is celebrating, relaxing, enjoying the day, man. I just wanted to give y'all an update, man, a Juneteenth update. We up here at the prison shop, at the prison yard. Yeah, they call this shop, the paint shop, the yard, man. But I see why. It's the prison yard, man. This is where the cars come to prison, for real. I see. My car got moved over though. We did have some motion since the last video. It's like a Paint Prison 10 Juneteenth vlog. We've been moved from over there in the handicap spot over here to this spot, but that's it. Other than that, no motion, none. It's all good though. They got this sports coupe out here. This is a sports coupe box. It's a landau box. You can tell a difference because even though they naked, they got the, that's for the trim. This one, him smooth. Smooth all the way down. It's a clean color though. I like the color on this sports coupe, man. Real nasty, and I love the E&G grills. Y'all tap in, man. Y'all comment below. Let me know what y'all like better, man. Y'all like E&Gs, or y'all like OGs, or y'all like Tiara? Tiara. Y'all let me know. Y'all comment below. Let me know what y'all like better. OG, EG, or ENG, or Tiara. And then we got the candy painted vert boy over here on the 4G ECLs. Candy apple red. This thing is clean, man. They did a thing on this one. These are 24-inch big cap ECLs with a spacer on there. Yep. But man, this color is hitting. The glow on it is just crazy. See, that's what I came up here for, man, to get the sauce. To get the sauce. My last landau was about this color, but it was Brandywine. I think this is candy apple red. My last landau was this color, close to this color. I'm trying to get the sauce laid on this one for 2 years. I ain't been able to get the sauce laid for 2 years, guys. 2 years this bad boy been up here. July 22nd, it'll be 2 years. So we coming up on a month. In 1 month, it'll be 2 years. We've been sitting up here trying to get the sauce. We got the paper. I already gave him the paper. I got everything I needed on the inside, or as far as the trim, emblems. I even got the glass removed after a while. And as y'all see, the only thing we got is jammed. We got jammed up. Like you see this part's painted, sprayed. But nothing else. So I don't know what the holdup is, man. Y'all let me know what y'all would do, man. Y'all let me know what y'all would do, man. I just wanted to tap in with y'all, give y'all a Juneteenth little prison yard update. The yard. That's what they call the shop, the yard. It's the prison yard, though. Yes, sir. Happy Juneteenth to everybody, man. Hope y'all relax and enjoying y'all day, man. Y'all tap in with the boy. Y'all let me know what y'all like, man. Y'all like the E&Gs, y'all like the OGs, y'all like the TR grills in the car, man. And then y'all let me know, y'all get in the comment section, man. Let me know what y'all do about it, man. Once it hit the 2-year mark, what would y'all do? Would y'all just come up here with a tow truck, take the truck, or take the car back, get your money back? Would you just sell them the car, make them cash you out like 20 bands? You keep the car now, give them the title. What would y'all do, man? Y'all tap in with me, man. Let me know. I really want to hear y'all feedback, man. Let me know. All right, man. Until the next one. Till the next one. We out. We out this thing, man. Until the next one.